Meaning of electoral register.
Electoral register.
Electoral register.
Electoral register.
Electoral register. The electoral register is a list of all eligible voters in a specific geographic area. It is used to manage elections and ensure that only those who are entitled to vote are able to do so. It contains personal information such as name, address, and date of birth. The information on the register is kept up to date by regular revisions and updates. Being on the electoral register is a legal requirement for anyone who is eligible to vote in an election. Without being on the register, an individual may not be able to exercise their right to vote.